Right. What are you doing? Sit in your pug pillow. Right. So we're going to take off all the frame, all the bodywork, and go from there. I tried to put it on the main stand. Doesn't seem to want to. Well, actually, saying that, if it goes on it now, the main stand does seem quite rusted. So I'm not entirely sure how much to trust it, but there you go. It's on there. Does this light come on as well? Yep. Okay. So let's take it apart. Right, so one of the very first things I want to do is get the back luggage holder off, because it's at some point had one on there, you can tell that, and it's getting corroded, it's looking pretty bad, so we get it off, sand it down, give it a respray. It looks like someone's tried at some point to get it off before. So if it's one bolt came out pretty easy, if this one comes out, I'll be happy. But it doesn't look like it's going to. Sure, we may be slightly stuck with that one. That, or let's get a hammer. Let's use a size a little bit too big for it. Bang it in. See if we have a new join. Yeah, can't get that off. We'll come back to that. It's still being held on by a couple of bolts in here. Let's get a ratchet and let's get this done. And on. Quite a small bolt. Just to get some gloves. Oh shit. Now, where the bloody hell's that bolt gone? Will we ever see that bolt again? Who knows. Right. So, there's that. As you can see, it's really badly corroded in quite a lot of places. That's what it should look. Well, I say that's what it should look like. That's what it is. So we're going to take that. We're going to sand that down. Right. Now, really lost that bolt forever. See if I can't see it anywhere. I can see it. Just seeing if I can get it at some point. Let's also check the oil while we're here. Oil looks bone dry, so we're going to fill that as well at some point. The gasket for the seat is quite, how do I put it? Well, crap. It's all coming off here, coming off there. The seat itself doesn't feel like it's on very strong, so I'm going to take the bolts out of that as well. And then I'm going to take it out back, spray it down. I'm going to get a couple more bits of the panel off, but let's get that seat off quickly, shall we? So it's the same size bolts as the back that we just done, so it should a couple of turns to get it loose. Right, that's those ones off. That looks like the bracket underneath is actually quite rusted. There's some better lights in here only for this, don't I? So I will take that and have a look. It does seem like it's got a cover. We'll take that cover off and we will give it a clean as well. Right, let's have a look at this front, shall we? Place I bought it from on the wheels in Brighton. They've got one in Port Slade as well. I would definitely suggest checking them out. They have always got a range of quite a good stock of bikes, scooters, sort of, you know, 50cc's, 125s, so loan illegals. I think it goes up as well. They've got a few other cc's there. Most of the stock is brand new. They do have a few second-hand and part exchange. This was a part exchange, but they were more than accommodating and seemed like really nice guys, if I'm honest. Looks like we've got a couple of bolts down here as well. What are they? There's like some flat heads just on the other side holding it on as well. The most annoying thing is after the fire in the garden, I used a lot of my tools to do some other stuff, and they probably got lost in the pile of rubble out there. Oh no, they are Phillips. Let's get a Phillips. Definitely didn't look like a Phillips. Right. How many we got then? One there. Let's have a look round here. Another one there. Right, is that all the ones we need? There is a little hatch here. Let's double check that. Put your grim in there. While I'm here, I'm probably just going to pop this hatch out. I'll show you what I mean. So just there, there's a little hatch. The battery light is flashing, so by the time this cuts off and comes back, you'll see that it's been given a clean, and we'll take it from there.